So today I would like to share with you these cable clips. This package includes 8 cable clips, and these guys are the best to keep your space organized and clutter-free from cables. This product, it's super small in size. It can fit cable, diameters ranging from 2.5 to 7 millimeters. It is great, for your phone cables, your tablet cables, for your laptop cables, even for Ethernet cables that are kind of thick. This product, guys, it's so small. It uses barely any space. You can literally stick them anywhere you want, in the side of your desk, underneath the table, in the wall itself. All you need to do is just first clean the surface and then go ahead, peel the adhesive in the back and stick it. Then you may want to leave it for about 1 to 2 hours to make sure that it sticks very nicely, and then you can go ahead and place the cable inside. To open, super simple. It actually comes with this locking feature, which is really nice. That way it doesn't open up on its own, and the same way you will clip it to close it up. Guys, again, this product is so cool. I really love it because it keeps everything neat and organized. In the package, you will also find 8 additional adhesives in case you want to, swap from one side to a different place. This is a must-have if you work in an office. I am definitely bringing it over to my office space so I can organize the cables, and separate them neatly to have my phone cable, my tablet cable, and also the Ethernet cable, which is always around and tangled. So guys, I really hope that you will enjoy this awesome product, and I highly recommend it. So I hope you will see you next time, guys. Bye.